Okay, so I'm so sorry that I have not been updating you guys recently. I've been fine, but I've been working, so it's been like really difficult to try and like get a day where I can just kind of sit down with you guys and film a video. And I'm just sat by my natural light just by the patio door, and it's actually making me look really, really pale, but I'm actually fine, so you guys don't need to worry about me. Also, I had my hair done. I had a root blur, and then I had like the bleach blonde kind of toned down a little bit, so it's more of like a natural blonde now. So yeah, I don't have any makeup on either, so other than that, I am absolutely fine. Okay, so this will be my 8 to 9 week pregnancy update, but before I get into that, I have a brand new website for you guys. So if you guys have ever been onto the Channel Mum website, you'll have seen lots of different things, lots of different videos and ideas. So they've completely revamped their website. So for example, if you're looking for trying to conceive videos, then there is a whole load there. Click on that one and there will be another drop down menu for getting pregnant, infertility, IVF, things like that. There's also ones on pregnancy and when you have a baby and all kinds of different things like this. And then all you would do is just press the little love heart and then it will show you all the related videos on that topic, which is super cool and so much easier. So I am now 9 weeks pregnant, but I'm going to be covering kind of 8 to 9 weeks because there's been a lot of changes. I've now gone to the doctors. I can't actually remember what I spoke about in my last video. I think it was more to do with the scan. So this week I'm back at work and I've been taking 2 different sorts of sickness tablets, which have really, really helped my nausea and being able to just like function as a person, do you know what I mean? Obviously at some point I did have to return to work, so there was a huge anxiety around that. But I really enjoy being at work, and I'm really glad that I sorted out my tablets and got my nausea under control, and now I can actually enjoy working and enjoy, you know, being with the kids at home as well and things like that. Oh, the sun's come out so it doesn't make me look so grey. Nothing much else has happened this week. I kind of thought I felt movements. Don't know if that's a thing at like 9 weeks, but please let me know down in the comments below if you guys have had that. I will show you my tummy at the end because I haven't been doing like bump shots or anything like that, but I have been taking a picture each week, and I'm going to put it as like a montage thing, whatever you do, like a week by week picture. I have been sleeping really well. I get up maybe 1 to 2 times in the night to go for a wee, but other than that I've been feeling okay. The mornings are better for me, so I get to about kind of 3 or 4 o'clock and then it's when I have to like start taking my tablets, because in the mornings I'm actually feeling really, really good, but in the evenings I'm not. So I think that's literally it. There's like nothing really happened. Oh my goodness, yeah. So yesterday whilst I was at work, I got a missed call from my midwife, and I'd put on my Rainbow Babies page, like, when did you guys get your first midwife appointment and when did they book you in for your scan and things like that, because I haven't had a letter for my 12-week scan and I'm coming up to 10 weeks now. So it's like I want to be able to have the 12-week scan around 12 to 13 weeks, because I think if you miss that cut-off point, they struggle to do like the fold at the back of the neck or something. There's this one little test that they have to do between 12 and 13 weeks, and if you miss it then you can't have it done or something. I can't remember what it is. Please leave me the comments down below if you can remember what it is. My baby brain is so bad. That's got to be like one of the symptoms for this pregnancy. And also I am so enjoying my food more. I made like a crusty roll with like real butter and some mild cheese and tomato, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I've been craving cashews, I've been craving macaroni cheese, it's just so many things. And the food, like we had chicken Kievs last night and sweet potato fries, and I was like, this food is so good and I love this pregnancy and I'm enjoying it. And I'm enjoying this pregnancy a lot more than my others because I'm enjoying food and I'm enjoying, you know, the different flavours and things, and I'm enjoying having cravings, because I think with Harry's pregnancy I craved mayonnaise, vinegar, orange juice, yeah, and that was it, and just like chips. But this pregnancy I'm craving loads of stuff. With Charlie's pregnancy I didn't have any cravings. I think like right at the beginning at like 6 weeks there was like a chicken noodle phase, but other than that, like, yeah, so I'm a lot happier now after that little wobble like a few weeks ago when I was on holiday. But I will show you my tummy, and as I'm sure all you guys have been waiting to see. This is like a really awkward, I'm just trying to like lean on a bean bag. So This is how I look from the side. It's mostly just fat, really. It's mostly just like fat and bloat. I've got my Mum of Boys Chaos Coordinator top on. Chaos Coordinator, I think, is just like such a good hashtag for my life in general. But no, they're pretty good. But Harry's actually been really poorly. He's still off now. He's having this thing where he's got this kind of cold, but he's got a cough with it. And every time he like coughs loads, he then throws up. So I was having a bad sickness day actually. So it got to about 2 o'clock and I was just like resting in bed. I just had lunch. I was laying there and I was like, right, I'm gonna try and have a little nap. And I set an alarm on my phone for like, so they rung me and they were like, he's been sick, can you come and get him? So I literally got in the car, drove to the school, and I wasn't feeling so good myself, and the teachers there were like, oh yeah, he like threw up his ham sandwich, and I was like, why do I need to know this information? And then as we were walking out the school, Harry was like, I was sick there, and I was sick there, and I was sick there, and I was like, for God's sake, I was like, stop giving me so much information, like, I've got a phobia of vomit anyway, like, I don't need to know this. And he was there with like a little sick bowl. The receptionist was like, look after mummy's car, and he like, she gave him this bowl. It was so sweet. But yeah, I ended up picking up Charlie early from nursery school because I didn't want to then drag Harry back out if he wasn't feeling very well, like an hour later, just to go and pick up his brother. So this is my casual little update for today. I hope you don't mind the background too much, the fact that I look super pale, but honestly I'm feeling so much better. And thank you all so much for your love and support and messages that I've been getting. I really do appreciate them, and I will see you in my next video. Subscribe to Channel Mum, subscribe to me, thumbs up this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye ladies!